Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, take only what resonates. Hindi to para sa lahat. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Or, pag meron pang available, check mo na lang sa TikTok shop. Meron din akong bracelet dyan na may kasama siyang tarot reading, astrological reading, or palm reading. Ikaw ang bahalang mamili. I-check mo na lang, okay? And let's start. This is for air sign Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. For air sign, please, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. What do we have here? For air sign. Air sign. You do have here the Seven of Cups, King of Swords, and the Magician. Ayan, the Magician is a major arcana. Ngayon, ika-clarify natin to. What's with the Seven of Cups? Strength card. What's with the King of Swords? King of Swords is clarified by the Lovers. What's with the Magician? Knight of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. Okay, I feel like this person, there's this person, lalo na with the Moon, the High Priestess, and the Two of Swords, maybe a person na may pagkakalayo, may distance, may separation sa inyo. And it is because choices, yon, no? Maybe choices regarding sa gusto kong either magtrabaho or mag-aral, or yeah, this is pagkakalayo because of that, because of, sa mga dapat i-consider ngayon. And I feel like this person could be, there's a high chance ng spiritual or soulmate connection. With the Seven of Cups and the Strength card, nagde-daydream or pwedeng nananaginip itong person na ito sa'yo. This person wants, wants you. Kaya lang with the Strength card, pwedeng pigil na pigil yan. With the Lovers and the King of Swords, maybe there's another connection or relationship na involved dito sa connection na ito na nagiging dahilan kung bakit kailangan gamitin niya utak niya. Kumbaga kung utak or puso, mas utak ang ginagamit nitong person na ito. The Magician is here. This is you focusing on your career, focusing on your studies, focusing on what should be, the main priorities for now. And with the Two of Wands, nakakita tayo ng mga plano sa'yo with regards sa iyong sarili. Of course, you're still holding on pagdating sa connection ninyo na person na ito. And you're still wishing and hoping na maybe in the future, there's chance na maybe in the future, maybe may purpose kami nitong person na ito, or maybe yung connection namin has a higher purpose. So, maybe you are holding on to that. But this person, more on ang iniisip niya is, although gustong-gusto niya ito, nakikita natin there's another relationship na pwedeng nagiging involved dito. Okay? And medyo makasarili siya sa part na ito dahil this person is thinking na makipag-communicate sa'yo, or maybe may pakikipag-communicate kang ginagawa sa kanya, kaya lang sinusabotahin niya kasi ngayon ang sarili niya. Okay? So, let's get more messages. I can see the sign of Leo, Aquarius is here. Yeah, the Seven of Swords and the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. This person thinks na nag-end na yung sa inyo, yung connection ninyo, no? And the Ace of Pentacles, you are actually focusing on your beginnings. You're focusing on your, some of you could be famous, nakakita ko mga famous dito. Or, mas, focus mo na ngayon yung public image mo, kung ano yung tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao, or maybe if you are someone na nasa ah, spotlight, no? So, maybe yung focus mo is dito. Okay? But anyway, yung iba naman, kung hindi ka naman famous, could be just your future, focusing on new beginnings na may kinalaman sa future. This person is broken-hearted right now, and I'm feeling like, yun nga, kahit feeling na nag-end na yun sa inyo, umiiwas or lumalayo itong person na ito. With the Wheel of Fortune and Eight of Cups, I feel like tinatry niyang baguhin yung emotions na nararamdaman niya for you, no? And yung paniniwala niya medyo may mga limitasyon. And pwedeng because of that, nagkakaroon ng problem. Dahil, yeah, of course, pwedeng naniniwala siya sa destiny, sa tarot reading, let's say, pwedeng ganon, or mga mystical na usapin, no? Astrology, mga ganun. But, pwedeng nilalagyan niya ng limitasyon. Like, I want to believe this, but, parang, sa ngayon, dahil sa situation natin, parang, dapat kong pigilan na sarili kong maniwala. Parang ganun. Na although, parang may mysterious kind of feeling sa kanya. It's just that, kailangan niya ding isipin kasi ang future or kakalabasan nitong connection ninyo. So, this person is walking away. But definitely, ang nasasaktan dito na nakukuha natin is siya. Kasi, parang anong nangyayari? Parang niloloko niya yung sarili niya, diba? Tell me more. You do have the Page of Wands and the Five of Wands. The Ace of Cups. Queen of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Ace of Cups, please. The Two of Cups, okay. I feel like this person really wants to have a relationship with you, partnership with the Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Mahal ka talaga niya. Atong person na to, gusto niya ng relasyon. Gusto niya ng, to be like, kung siya ay lalaki, pero wala naman tayong gender specific dito. Gusto niya maging tatay ng mga anak mo, like that. And this person wants a home or to build a home with you. This person wants to help you if you need help, because I can see some of you may mga problem financially with the Queen of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. And then this person wants to help you. Pwede ganun. And I feel like alam niya na kailangan mo ng tulong. Alam niya or pwedeng nararamdaman niya that you need him or her or kailangan mo ng tulong. But I can see insecurities dito sa taong to. Nakakita tayo ng mga pag-aaway sa kanya, sa side niya. No? I can see a lot of, or maybe a particular person na nagagalit or nakikipag-away because of a communication or connection na nangyayari sa inyo or because of you. Kasi this person or the other person, which is pwedeng relationship sa side niya, is aware sa kung ano yung talagang meron sa inyo. Like, if this is a spiritual connection, nararamdaman din ng other person na may spiritual connection sa inyo. And aware siya regarding sa maybe karma, or aware siya na itong person na ito is not being honest pagdating sa kanyang emotions towards you, na pinipigilan, ganon. And this person is pwedeng ini-express niya din kasi yung emotions na nararamdaman niya, which is a lot of pain, a lot of drama. And this person is taking power. And of course, kung may relasyon sila, nagagalit siya. So, may pag-aaway sa kanila. And the Emperor is here. This is your person na pwedeng kunwari lang siya na parang wala siyang pakialam or what, pero deep inside there's a lot of pagpapahalaga sa'yo, no? And hindi niya lang alam kung paano i-deliver or sasabihin yan. So what will happen in the near future for you, air sign? In the near future, you do have here the 8 of Wands. Eight of Wands, the 3 of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Clarify these cards, please. What's with the 8 of Wands? Knight of Wands, and the 9 of Pentacles. What's with the 3 of Pentacles? Page of Cups is here. What's with the Page of Swords? The King of Pentacles. Clarify the King of Pentacles. King of Wands. One more card. Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Wands. Okay, the Moon is at the bottom of the deck. Like, remember, this is the dito tayo nagsimula na ito yung mga bottom of the decks kanina. The High Priestess, the Moon, and the Two of Swords. Also, the Ten of Cups is here. In the future, I can see na you will be more mature. I can see you na may mga education or something na inaaral, or maybe you would learn a lot in the near future. And possible na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, but pwedeng may kinalaman sa mga natutunan mo online, some of you. And this will create big change towards you. I can see you with the King of Pentacles, King of Wands. If you do have a business, there's big change over this business. I can see you creating the change. Ikaw ito na naggagawa ng change with regards to that. I can see new beginnings towards you. And I can see you na pwedeng mababago lahat dahil ikaw ang gagawa nitong pagbabago after nitong mga bagay na itinatago or mga limitasyon, nagbibigay ng limitasyon sa'yo. There's this new beginning towards you. And actually sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito, you are the one who is being more mature talaga. Siya talaga yung nagpapakita ng immaturity. And in the future, I feel like this person is going to, you know, pagsasayang ng oras ang nakikita natin. With regards to the other person, nakita tayo ng connection sa kanila wherein if there's love, it's not enough to continue or ituloy ang relationship. But, you know, I can see possible ending. But first, ang unang mawawala dito is yung pagkagusto. Kasi maybe physically or attracted itong person na ito doon sa taong iyon, sexually, physically, etc. But it's not enough to, you know, ituloy yung connection or yung relationship. Maybe this person sees this person as a, you know, for sex only. And in the future, ma-realize niya na ang kailangan ko is pera. Like, this person wants money more than the person nakakonect niya. And then, this person, ang gusto niya lang naman is maging successful. And I feel like hindi niya yun nakukuha sa person na ito. And let me clarify yung outcome with regards to your person and doon sa isang person na nakikita natin dito. What is the outcome? One last card. Justice card is here. The Justice card, the Judgment. This is like hard truth, or, you know, pwedeng ma-realize ng person mo lahat ng ito. The Five of Swords is here. There's this pag-aaway pa rin na nagtutuloy-tuloy sa kanila. And I can see your person awakening. Nagigising siya regarding sa connection nila. And this person is like, pwedeng, like what I've told you, pwedeng nililimitahan niya yung mga paniniwala niya. Pero pwedeng, nako, kahit limitahan niya, talagang gigising at gigising siya sa katotohanan kung ano ba talagang meron sa inyong dalawa at meron sa kanila nung person niya. And one last card. The Three of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands is here. So, I can see a person who will be more focused sa pag-iipon in the near future kasi gusto niya makipag-reconcile, makipagkita sa'yo. This person wants to see you. This person wants to travel the Chariot to see you. And pwede nagkakaroon pa ng problema And because of these challenges, medyo masakit or malungkot para sa kanya, mangyari or gawain ito. Like, pwedeng, the, the only thing na kailangan dito, what needs to do, is for this person to see you. Kasi, spiritually, hindi siya spiritual na tao eh. Pero mas magigising siya kapag nakikita ka na niya. Or pag may, I can see holding hands or being you together, talking, etc. Pag nangyari na yun. Because for now, medyo sarado ang utak niya. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.